Yo, what's up guys, this is Preet. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download movies, web series in Hindi, English, Tamil and Telugu language. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So for this you have to go to browser. Now this is your choice, you can use any browser. I am going to use Firefox. I recommend this browser to use. Now it's the simple. I'm going to open the website. The links are in description. So let me open it. The name of the website is Apexmovieflix in. You can also go to our YouTube channel, go to about section. You can find the website written with his name. So let me click on it. After clicking, and the website is just opened. Now you can see here are some options for home. This is the home page. For movies page, for login, register, subscribe, contact us, how to download and watch our YouTube channel, and a search bar. I don't want to search, I will just show you. Let me click on this first. Hulk and the Agent of Smash Season 1 Hindi episodes. So let me show you. When we open it, here's the title, here's the image. You can change your language by clicking on here. You can search something from here. You can that's the more information, and that's the story of the cartoon which I am going to show you. You just have to click on watch slash download button. It will open a new tab. This website will open. Now it will, there is a captcha box, recaptcha. Let me cut this ad. You first have to complete this recaptcha. I have to select all the images with bridges. Bridge, bridge, and there's no more verify. I am verified. Now I am going to click I am not a robot. It will take me to a next page. One more advertisement. Cut it. Scroll down. You can see there's a timer. When it's completed, you will get a link. 3, 2, 1, 0. You will get this download button. Click on it. Now scroll up. Click on link download. A new page will open. Wait for some time. Now this timer is also starting. 5, 4, 3. One more advertisement. 2, 0. When it comes 0, the button will get light green and written here get link. Click on it. Now cut this page. This is advertisement. Reopen it. Now it will take you to where you want. You can see this is the page. Here's written Hulk and Agent of Smash Season 1 episodes Hindi Quick Multi. Now you can watch or download episode which you want. Like I am going to show you the episode 1 season 1. Click on it. It opens a new page. This process is small. Don't need to worry. 1 second. This second. I'm not a robot. Click on it. This is saying I have an ad blocker. So I'm going to disable it. Disable. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Download RTI. Click. A new page will open. Wait for it. This will take some time. You can see it's almost open. Yeah, you can see is it loading. If you want to download, you can click on this button. Your video will start downloading and click on this play button. It will take some time. Yeah, it started. You can change your quality, playback speed. You can download this from here. You can reverse 10 seconds, volume button, pause button, full screen. Let me full screen it. And it just started. I think my internet is slow. It will start in some seconds. Inside started. I don't